welcome back once again. Today I'd like to say thank you just to everybody who's been watching my videos and supporting me along the way. This is the look that we're doing today. It's kind of a little bit of cut crease and it's really autumn inspired just by the leaves with the orange and the yellows, and yeah, just keeping it fresh. To start off, I've already moisturised and now I'm going in with the Lasting Finish Primer by Rimmel. Next I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Now I'm going in with the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect. Now it's time for concealer, and I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer. And I just kind of took that under my eyes, down my nose and up here, just to kind of make your jawline pop a wee bit. And now I'm just going to blend that out with the Revlon sponge. Now I'm going to go in with the Stylist Banana Powder, and I'm just going to set under my eyes, and then with whatever's left I'm just going to go on the rest of my T-zone. So now it's time for bronzer, and I'm just going to take the Maybelline New York City bronzer. It's in the colour Medium Cool. So now I'm just going to take that on a brush and just go under here. Now I'm going to take the Naughty Nude Revlon Satin Blush, just this colour. Just brushing back, and I like to blend it from here back. You don't want it too much on the apples, I don't feel. Now we're going to go on to brows, and I'm just going to quickly do them. Now I'm going to go underneath my eyebrows just with the same concealer and a wee concealer brush and just carve them out and finish priming my lids. And before I forget, we forgot to do our highlights, so I'm just using the Milani Summer Glow, my favourite, on just to take a brush. So now I'm going to go into the Kali by Bow palette, and I'm just going to take this colour just to set all over my eyes. Start off using the Neutrals 2 Makeup Revolution, and first of all, on like a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to go into this colour here. This is going to be a transition shade. And now on a smaller blending brush, it's a little bit dirty, but it'll do. I'm just gonna go, I think I'm gonna go into the orange here. I want to take that in our outer corner and in our crease. So just building up to the colour payoff that you like. Start small and keep going. And at this stage you may need to keep going back and just blending, depending how much into your creases, if it's going too high. You just want to build and blend. Now I'm going to take this deep red here, and I'm just going to take that on the same little brush, but I'm going to be quite light-handed and take it through my crease and right in the outer corner, just right back here. Now I'm going to take that concealer brush, the concealer from before, and I'm just going to do this real. After doing that, I'm just going to take this little brush and I'm going to take this white here, and I'm just going to set a little cut crease with that. And now on the smaller fluffy brush that we just used, I'm going to go back into this orange shade here, and I'm just going to blend that in this way a wee bit. So I just take my time and I build that colour up to how opaque I want it. I'm taking this yellow from this palette here, and I'm taking it on this flat shader smudger kind of brush, and I'm just trying to get that like as opaque as I can, because I just want it in here. And I just want to blend it into the orange, but I don't want to take it all the way into the inner corner. And then just blend it with that orange again really quick. So now I'm just going to go straight under the eye and finish that off. So to finish off underneath the eyes, I'm going to take this yellow and I want to run this just along the front of the lower lash. I'm going to take that big brush again, and I'm going to take that orange shade again and we're just going to use that. And I'm just going to run that back into the yellow. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyeliner. It has a tip like this. It's quite nice and sharp. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner, and I'll probably do it off camera, and then I'll come back because we all know how challenging getting a matching wing can be. So now that we've got our eyeliner on and it's semi-matching, it's kind of as good as it's going to get today, I'm going to go and do my mascara. I've just got the OXX Cosmetics one from Kmart, and I'm going to curl my lashes as well. And now I'm going to go in with these lashes. They're in the style Cocoa. I'm just going to trim them and then I'll put them on and I'll be back. So now that we've got lashes on, I think I need to finish this look off just with a wee inner corner highlight, and I'm just going to use my Milani highlighter to do that. Now it's time to go on to lips and put something on them, and I'm going to use the Max Factor Matte in Flame. And I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild lip liner in Fab Fuchsia. Thank you guys for watching. This is the finished look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I love how we've got that wee pop of yellow and the wee cut crease. It's not too in your face, so it makes it still wearable if you did want to wear it during the day. Thank you all for watching. If you would like and subscribe down below, that would be awesome. And if you have any suggestions of things that you want to see in the future, just comment it below. So yeah, thank you. Bye guys.